So we're out here today with one of our coordinators from our upper management of the Ministry of Agriculture and Marine Resources for the Bahamas. How excited is the Bahamas government in reference to drone technology and its capabilities for us moving forward?
All right, good afternoon. My name is Jenson Williams, representing the Ministry of Agriculture. Drone technology has endless possibilities in regards that you could utilize this type of technology to do a lot of things that may be very difficult for a human, and it could actually mitigate the risk of loss of life, through the proper utilization of the drones, especially getting access to various points so we could have knowledgeable statistical readings, and also help us on the change on this climate change fight, which is regional and a global endeavor.